It's a new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, power telescoping steering column, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.